Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry and this is the Streamer Source, your source for all things, well, streaming. What else do you expect, right? So look, if you follow me on my main channel here, which is of course, hey, it's Terry, you will know that I got a wonderful brand new GoXLR Mini. I had to sell my soul to get, I'm totally kidding now. There was a company in Germany that just so happened to get them in stock, so you know I had to jump on that deal, you know what I mean? So with that being said, folks, I was so excited to get it in the mail, you know what I mean? I really was. And then I came to the realization that, oh crap, I can't use my wireless headset with it, because in order to use a headset with this thing, you gotta plug it in, and you can't plug in a wireless headset. Here I thought I had to spend even more money for a new headset, you know what I mean? But luckily, a wonderful viewer happened to leave a comment on that video I posted talking about the little issue I had, and they have a fix that works for him, and thank you, it works for me as well. So hopefully, if you're in the same boat that I was, this fix also might help some of you out there. Okay, so with that being said, how do you do it? Let's go check it out. In other words here, folks, how to use practically any headset you want to use with either the GoXLR or the GoXLR Mini. Alrighty here, folks, here's my wonderful Destiny 2 background. So gonna go ahead and open up the start menu here. Want to type in sound. Gonna bring up your sound system settings. You want to scroll down a little bit right here to where it says sound control panel. It's going to open this up right here for you, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to hit the recording tab, go to the broadcast stream mix for the GoXLR or GoXLR Mini. You want to right click, go to properties, go to listen, and then you want to check the box right here to where it says listen to this device. And this right here is where you can specify which headset or speakers or whatever that you want to use to listen to the broadcast stream mix. And as you can see here, folks, I have it routed through my wireless Corsair HS70 headset. So in other words, folks, once again here, if you use this fix and if you had the same problem that I did, this will allow you to use practically any headset you want with the GoXLR or GoXLR Mini. Very simple fix. Matter of fact here, folks, I've had to use a similar fix to this for things in the past, but it's been so long since I've had to do that kind of thing, I completely forgot that was a solution that you could have figured out by yourself. You know what I mean? But folks, for real though, again, thank you so much for all the love and support on this new channel. It means the world to me. It really does. Hopefully this might have helped some of y'all out there as well, because trust me, folks, the less money you got to spend, especially right now, helps everybody out. I will see you over at twitch.tv/Hey It's Terry every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hope to see y'all there as per usual, and I will catch you all in the next one, okay? Take care, folks. See you around.